Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. In this video at Learn Tech, I'm going to show you how you can change the computer name. So in my case, the computer name is Eddie and I want to change, let's say, to Learn Tech. In order to do that, we need to go at Settings. We search here Settings. We can go at Settings also by going at Start, and then we click over this gear here, which is Settings. And then we will have this view and we click over System. From the options on the left, we scroll down till we find About. We click over it. And then here we will have all the device specifications. And in order to change the name, we just have to click over Rename this PC. And here we write the new name of the PC. The second option is by clicking over here, rename this PC advanced, which is this function here on the right. We click over there and then we come here at this option here which says rename this computer or change its domain or workgroup. Click change. So I click over change and here I can write the new computer name. Alright, so we have to keep it in mind that the computer name cannot be with spaces, so I will just remove the space. And then I will press OK. Then it will pop up this notification that will say computer name domain changes. You must restart your computer to apply these changes. We press OK and then we close it. And we can restart the computer right now and the computer will have the new name. I'll just restart it later. So basically that's all that I wanted to show to you guys. Thanks a lot for watching and please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.